What's going on, you guys? KOFan93 here, and today I'm going to show you how to install a gold or silver or black or whatever tip on your replica title belt. So it's a lot easier than most people think it is. A lot of people think you've got to trim down the strap. That is not always the case. I did not trim down the strap here. So bring it in, I'll show you here. What you do, you take this tip here, get these lined up real good, and then you press it as hard as you can down here, and you're going to get some indentions. That's what you want. And you just take it, drill it. My battery's charging right now, but just get it drilled, and then you can line this up right here, and the strap will fold into the tip, and you will not have to trim a darn thing, which is fan-freaking-tastic. So, let me get these lined up again. Start at the top here. Oops. And make sure that whenever you're drilling those holes out, you get them drilled out good. Don't leave a little excess material like I did, otherwise you're going to have a little difficulty getting the screw in the post there. And you don't want that, it's not a fun time. Sure I got this one good, because this one right here had some excess left in it. Hence why I said definitely make sure you get all that excess out of there when you're drilling. The drill bit that I used is a little bit small. I can't find my large drill bit. I believe I'm using a 1/4 inch drill bit. Get off. Hey. Cats like belts, folks. There you have it. Gold tip installed on a belt. Pretty easy. Press it down, get your 3 holes indented, drill it out, pop it on. No trimming necessary. I'm KOFan93, and that's all for now.